Hello everybody, I hope you all are doing well. Today we will be learning the second part of the choreography that we started in our last session on the song Finesse. So let's dive right into it. We are going to be starting from the last 4 counts from our previous session, which were the elbow hit 5, 6, wave to down 8, right? From here, what we are going to do is you're going to make a hip roll. You're going to hit first to the left side. So what I do is I kind of go to the corner to hit and then I make the rest of the hip roll smooth, okay? And I finish on the right side. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to open my leg a little bit and open my hands also with it. 5, 6, 7, hit on 8. So it's a head nod on 8, okay? So you go 5, 6, 7, my right hand is on top of left and a head nod, okay? So you go 5, 6, 7 and 8. From there, the next step is you're going to bring both your feet together towards the left side. It's a jump and clap. So what we're going to do is we're going to go jump and then I clap, and with that I actually drop my pelvis a little bit back, yeah? So just observe it once. From here, I do the head nod, jump and a tap, jump and a tap. When you do that step, make sure that your first jump is towards the left side and you clap towards the right side. That way I will be able to see your face. The audience will be able to see it. If you clap here or here, then your face is going to get hidden. So make sure you clap here. It's a very simple step. Just make it very chill and relaxed, yeah? It's really like how you do a slow clap, no? That feel to it, okay? So from here, you're going to do head nod, tap and a clap, tap and clap. To the left, to the right. So that is 4 times, okay? Once you finish with that, we are going to go into the next step, which is something that you've already done with me in the first section. So that step was, you remember the open the door step? It's that step. This time we will be doing it 3 times. So we start on the right, we go right leg, left leg. It's the opposite arm and leg. I hope you're noticing that, yeah? So from there, the last time on the right leg, and from here I'm going to cross, okay? I cross, I turn around. Once I turn around, I'm going to hit. Yeah, so this hit is like you're riding in a bus and the driver hits the brake all of a sudden and then releases it. You feel a jerk, no? It's really like that. So it's just a tap. It's a light tap from your back and your shoulder. So you just go tap and stop. Okay? Once that happens, I'm going to do a step together. Fine? The lyrics are somewhat where it says, tonight I'm going to show you off. Okay? So we're going to place our right hand on our foreheads like this, slightly away from it. And I'm going to start with my left leg and I'll walk left, together, right, together. Once I do this, I'm going to take the next 2 steps, turning. Okay, so I'm going to go step 2, step 4. Okay, so this is basically from here, hit, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left. From here, it is going to be the same footwork, just your arm changes, okay? And it's again for 8 counts. So from here, once you finish that, you're going to go 1, 2. Do you observe the arms? The arms are basically like you're riding a bike, okay? And the footwork is the same. So it's a left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left. I'm actually facing the left side right now, okay? So when I do this, so I'm going to go 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Observe my shoulders. I'm making rolls, yeah? So I'm taking my shoulder, roll 1, roll 2, forward, roll back, roll 2, back, okay? So it's going with your leg basically. So you go roll forward, roll back, 5, 6, 7 and 8, yeah? From there, we are going to go into a whip, lift the heel and drop it. Whip, lift the heel and drop it, yeah? So you can observe it once from the side. What I do is I'm going to whip to the left side and I lift and drop. Whip, drop, like that, okay? So it's a 1 and 2, 3 and 4. From here, it's a hand in. Your fist comes in and your knee also comes in. So it's a ta, 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 ta. This is going to be the leg work. So you're going to go 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? But with that, you have arms. So the arms are going to go after the whip, the last one. You're going to bring your right hand in and your knee comes in with that. Okay? So once the knees are in, the fist is also in. Then when you go out, your elbow goes out. Then you bring it in again and then you straighten it. As simple as that. Okay? So you go 5, 6, 7, 8. It's a and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Yeah? So on and you're in. And on the count, you go out. Alright? So you go and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Yeah? Okay. So let's take it till here with music. Let's try that. Are you ready? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. That's it. Right, so this is where we finish this section. From here, moving on to the next section. So you're going to go tum, ta, tum and ta, right? From here, now it says blame it on the confidence. So, okay, so what you're going to do, from here, we're going to walk forward. We're going to take 4 walks forward. And the walk you've already done with me in class. It's just a step forward, but walk more or less like a jazz walk, okay? So what I want you to do from here, really lift up when you walk, yeah? Keep your shoulders back. Give me a very confident walk, okay? So this is 4 steps, very simple. You just have to walk forward for 4 steps. We start on the right leg. But the key is to stay really confident and do it in your own way, okay? So when you're going to walk forward, how I do it is, I start with my right leg and I click, okay? So that's how I'm doing it. I'm throwing my hand and I click it. You can try the same thing. You can just snap your fingers like that. You can actually just throw your hands also. Yeah. So once you finish 7 and 8, you walk right, left. Okay? So from here, the next step is you open and jump. Alright? As you open and jump from here, your right hand goes up. You see? Also I sit. I'm sitting. My knees are bent and I'm relaxed. Also make sure that my right heel is kind of, yeah, like this. Okay? So it's inside, pointing forward like that, outward. Okay? What you need to do is, your weight is more or less on the left side and you go hit the hip. You remember how we did this step, no? It's more or less like that, but you need to really hit the hip, okay? So from here, you're going to go hit, okay? So after the walk, you go walk 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Fine, from here, the next step is shut. It says shut it down. So from here, what you need to do is you're going to bring your hands to the left side, to the right, to the left. Acha. Now, it's pretty much the same move, yeah? You're observing all of this, yeah? It's pretty much the same. It's just that the hands are different. So if you know this one nicely, you'll be able to do all of these steps. If probably somewhere you feel like that the arms are getting too much, just do the legs, okay? And then slowly add the arms to it. So, once you finish this one, you go hit to the left, right, left. Okay? From here, you're going to jump and point your hands down like that to the floor. Okay? From here, you're going to use that same hand, which is your right hand. Also, my right leg crosses in front of the left because I'm going to make a turn this way. Okay? So, from here, I'm going to keep my right leg in front of the left and I'm going to make a turn. When I make a turn, my right hand is out. I'm going to use this one for momentum, alright? So from here, I go cross, use this hand for momentum, and then I nod my head upwards like that, like you're asking a question. Okay? So from there, what you're going to do is you're going to open your legs in a wide parallel, but not exactly parallel. You can keep your legs a little bit turned out. Okay? From here, your knees would be bent, and we're going to make hip rolls. Okay? You're going to make hip rolls, and you're going to come a little bit forward with it. Yeah? Very small. It's just inside. Yeah? It's very inside. It's not a big hip roll. It's not like that. It's very in. The movement is very, like it's just connecting the whole body. Yeah? And you're coming forward with it. So, if you have gotten the legs, you can add arms. From here, we are going to go. I keep my left hand secure here, holding my left hip, and my hand, right hand, goes up. It says, out here dripping in finesse. So dripping, what does dripping mean? Like how your sweat drips, no? When you've just played like a lot of football or basketball, sweat just drips everywhere, right? Like that, you're dripping in finesse now. That's what the song says, okay? So, we are going to go hand up and we're going to should drip 2, 3, 4. Alright? So, 5, 6, 7 and go. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then it says, it all make no sense. Yeah? Very simple. So, you're just going to open your hands like this. My knees are still bent. I just go left, right, left. Yeah? So, I'm coming up. Like I'm asking a question, but don't do this, okay? Keep your hands relaxed. So I just go 1, 2, 3, bounce. Bounce in your knees and shoulders. 4, okay? So from here you go 1, 2, 3. From here you repeat the movement and you go 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the step changes. So you're going to go, lift your leg, take it to the right, cross it, bring it back. But I don't place it on the floor, okay? So you remember how we keep it on demi point like that. So you keep it there, you go 7, come back 8. Alright? Let me just give you this one more time so you understand how it is. It's going to be out here dripping in finesse. It don't make no sense. Out here dripping in finesse. You know it, you know it. Fine, from here. It again says, out here dripping in finesse. When that happens, I need you to go, bring your hands here. Either you can keep it in a fist or you can keep it like this, okay? Your leg is going to do this action. So here, I'm still doing hip rolls like how I was doing when I was going this way. It's the same feel. Just now I'm not moving forward. And I'm keeping one leg on demi point, the other one is relaxed, okay, on the floor. And the hip roll is coming back to front from the right side. So it's back, right, front. Now, as my hip is doing that, you see my knee and my ankle follows. So the movement is going all the way through my leg. Yeah? Now, before we move any further ahead, I would also tell you, if you feel at any point that this probably like the second part is getting a little bit difficult for you, you can repeat this one. Okay, that's absolutely fine. You can do that first, and once you've locked that, then maybe try this one. So you can go all 4 times with this. Okay, if you feel that you're confident and you can learn the other one also, then come with me and do the second part. Okay, so we are going to go from here. Once you finish 6, 7, 8, you're going to go from here, out here dripping in finesse. Yeah? Now, the movement is, it all make no sense. This is the one we repeat. And then again, out here dripping in finesse. From here, you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright? What I do is, I take my left leg out, I bring it back. I take the right leg up, I bring it back. Okay? So it has to go, breathe, yeah? Like that. So if you breathe and do it that way, there's a natural groove, and it's also, you know, the energy is more and you're still lighter. And I can still, yeah, really go fast with it and look, still I complete the step. Okay? So I'm going to repeat this. Okay? So the step was outer dripping in finesse. It all make no sense. Dripping in finesse. Now you're going to go, you know it, you know it. And that's your last step. Now, when you finish that, after this, I kind of just relax. I do a light jump and then I do some shoulders to kind of fade it out, finish it. You can do any groove that you feel comfortable with, like maybe just a little bit of swing or anything that you feel confident with. Just whatever you feel like doing, just groove along. You have 4 to 8 counts. Relax in that section, okay? So once you finish ta, 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 just light groove, whatever you feel like doing, yeah? That's it. So this is where we finish the learning part. So let's try this with music so you can just follow along, okay? Here we go. 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that was the second section of the choreography. We are done with it. Now I'm going to do the whole choreography once. You all also try with me. Let's see how it goes. Go! Okay, so with that we come to an end of this choreography. Now I'm going to see you all in class. Have a great time learning. Bye.